What would be, considering that you have a sort of 360 degrees view, what is your definition about sustainability? I know it's not an easy question, but please share with us your thoughts.
So I think here we've got a great example of sustainability and usage of waste. And I think this is a very good example connected to innovation and sustainability. So we run moonshot campaigns, so innovation campaigns within SGS towards all the crowd of SGS, so our 96,000 people. And we ask them for ideas on how we can deliver new services or improve our services in order to generate and to support sustainability. And that was one campaign that was specific to one of our line of business that's dedicated to natural resources, so oil, minerals, agriculture products. And actually the winner of the competition, so we run a little bit of startup competition, a bit as we have here, but inside our own walls. And the winner is, the idea was dedicated to waste reuse and how can we actually match waste between the different parties prenantes of the supply chain, parties of the supply chain. So in every industry, you generate waste. I mean, probably in construction, you generate a bit of extra concrete, or when you. But in any industry, you create waste, and many industries also need certain quantity of these waste as an input for their own process and our own manufacturing. So our role there is to test the waste to see if it's good enough to be used as input for the next process. For instance, probably for concrete, you must make sure that there is no wood or no organic material in there before you do anything, so we can run these kind of tests. And then we also want to add value on top of that in order to help companies match their waste and make sure in terms of quantity, in terms of volume, in terms of availability, that we can sort of try to plan that a little bit better. So that's one of our typical contributions to some sustainability. I mean, we see that as something that's very pragmatic, practical, and needs to be done as soon as possible.
So really taking the situation from here and where we can get it better.